place called Afreen Bakery. If you take a look at it, you have this very nice. This place is just opposite St. Mary's Church in Sikandrabad. No, I have a YouTube channel. Almost sometimes 8,000 people watch my videos. Sometimes it's called Half Sindhi Little Mallu. So so that's what I make these short little videos. See, I'm having a burger here, and this is a nice place. If you take a look at it, the kind of and very reasonable also. So that's what this is the whole the variety of cakes here, and I would have got up and shown you all the closer version, but I'm just waiting to eat my burger. And this it was set up when कौन से साल में ये शुरू हुआ 10 साल हो गए होंगे ना. This bakery has been here, Afreen Bakery, and it is right opposite St. Anne's School in Sikandrabad. That is near St. Mary's Church. Beautiful place here, and I'm happy to be sitting here. So on that note, thanks for watching.